Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines. Happens to be one of our 408 Windsors. These are real stump pullers. Again, makes over 500 foot-pounds of torque and over 500 horsepower. Fantastic. We custom build each and every engine. This one was in a form of black alternator only. It's going into a Mustang. Got Cobra valve covers. Going to have a Cobra air cleaner. This one's running the new MSD Atomic 2 EFI on it. Give it a shot. It runs fantastic. Again, each and every one of our motors does run fantastic. Anything we can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Enjoy the video.